Ah, another beautiful day. I can't wait to parkour in the tower. Let me go outside so I can clearly see everything. I wish I had a better house. But not the mansion, some say it's haunted. I will just jump around. You know what? I made the decision. I will go in the tower. Here in parkour civilization, parkour is everything. You can even buy a house with just parkour. Luckily, I'm good at it. This is the pro level. Some say it's the highest level in the game, but I don't think so. I will try to go and rank up higher than anyone one day. I just have to improve my parkour in the tower. Many noobs have tried becoming a pro, but only some make it. One day I will become a pro and make it. This is the parkour practice, the place where noobs in parkour civilization improve their skills. I never was in practice because I don't think I need it. To rank up, there are two methods. The classic one where you get a ticket and the tower. The tower is extremely hard and it includes neo jumps, one of the hardest jumps in the game. Finally I came. Let's enter now. So here I was, parkouring to the top. Oh wow, each jump here is harder and harder. I just need some concentration. I didn't mean to fall. I will keep trying. And one day my parkouring skills will be the best they ever could. Wow, I actually made it to this jump. Wow, I just really had to fall. But I didn't expect that I would make it this far. I will just keep trying. I did a lot of the course. Look, I will try to make this jump and finish level 1. It's very hard. You know what? I will just go back home. At least there it won't be so disappointing. I will try going into the tower another time. One day I will check out the mansion with a friend if I make one here. I'm really wondering why do people say it's haunted? And where are all the noobs? I haven't seen one in ages. And even the pros stop doing food trials every morning and just build the machine that gives you food automatically if you do parkour. I wonder why. Ah, home sweet home. I will go sit on the bed and watch Platinum Gamers on YouTube and his friend Furif Gaming.